What is your name? Suraya. How are you? Very good. Sit down. Nafisa, how are you? What are you doing? Are you ready for the question? Okay. What is the Bengali meaning of forgive?
The meaning of forgive is ক্ষমা করা.
What is the Bengali meaning of charity? The Bengali meaning of charity is Dattobbo. Dattobbo, charity. Very good. Sit down. Everybody clap for Nafisa. Hi Shahana.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I am thinking.
Are you ready for the question?
Yes.
What is the Bengali meaning of large? Huh?
সত্যবাদী.
Wrong. The Bengali meaning of large is brihot. What is the Bengali meaning of hungry? Ready? Very good. Everybody clap for Shahana. Sit down.